Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have my Ipsy Extra Box. So many things going right already. It is undamaged. It is here in a fairly timely fashion. Let's get into it and check it out. The last couple of months, I have had not such great luck with my Ipsy, with my Extra, with my Icon. They all ended up here. With the Icon, they did an accommodation box ×2 for me, so actually I ended up a way winner. I just didn't receive my February box until into March, but everything worked out okay. I have never had Ipsy not make something right for me. I'm always happy with my box. Sometimes it's fantastic. I usually find it across the board to be good because with all of the Ipsy products, you get to make choices. If it's the original bag, you get one choice. If it's this or the Icon, you get 3. So this is basically a box that I built from choices that they gave me. So I should love it. So let's get into it. This is my March box. I'm putting it up in March. Everything is going great so far. So let's open it up and see what we've got. In theory, I made all of these choices. This paperwork that they put in our extras doesn't actually tell us about the actual products that I chose, but I have my right down there, my iPad, and we can get all of the information that we need on these products, the ones that they chose for me and the ones that I chose. In theory, I should have 6 products, the 5 that come in my box and my boost. We'll start with the things they chose for me in the order they are on the iPad. That makes it easier. So first out, we have the Nopalera Flor de Madera. It's a perfume. It is the travel sized, which I thought this was supposed to be full-size products in our Ipsy Extra. Am I incorrect? It has a $30 value, which is still great, and it says it's inspired by the floating gardens of Mexico City. This fresh and seductive eau de parfum blends bright tamarind and Mexican citrus with soft violet, jasmine petal, and earthy vetiver. I thought it said early, and I was like, showed up early. A warm base of musk, cedarwood adds depth and staying powder, making it the perfect scent for new beginnings, bold adventures, and everyday confidence. All right, well, let's see how she smells. I guess technically a travel size could be considered full size because it's not a sample, but let me know where you land on this. I mean, $30 value is more expensive than some, it's got a lid. I was looking for the spray part. It has a lid. Is more expensive than some of the things that we get that are absolutely full size. So maybe it's in the dollar value, but let me know what you guys think. Okay, so pointed that first one right at my hand. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, I like that very much. I hope it will smell like that on me. That's the only problem that I ever have with perfumes is I spray them on non-human things and I love the scent, and when I spray it on this human thing, my chemistry is like, nope, thank you, we're gonna make it smell like ham. Okay, that's a slight exaggeration, but it has happened. Okay, that is very pretty. I will absolutely give that a try. I go through different stages. Sometimes I'm like, I love getting perfume in my bags and boxes. And then other times I'm like, I'm kind of over perfumes. I feel like I'm in my perfume era. Maybe it's because we're moving out of winter and into summer and I want something lighter and brighter, but I am happy for it. Okay, next we have the Paul Mitchell Clean Beauty. It is a heat styling spray, 93% natural origin, vegan, eco packaging. It is full sized. It is 5.1 ounces. It has a $25 value. So see, this has a $5 value lower than the perfume. Made with 93% natural origin ingredients, this heat protected spray helps safeguard hair during heat styling while adding light hold and natural shine. Infused with flaxseed and ferulic acid to help nourish and shield fragile strands. It's the perfect blow-dry prep for polished styles with movement and flexible control. So that is what that looks like. I do love a hair product. Let's see what it smells like, because number one, I will judge my hair product by how it smells, because there's a lot of hair and it's how my hair might smell for a couple of days. Okay, once you get it going, it's a nice light mist. Oh, that smells good. Clean, slightly floral, I want to say. I like it. I will absolutely give this a try. I use a heat stylant every day. Right now, I'm using a AG, what does that stand for? I forget. It came in our, I'm going to move past it. It came in our Fabfitfun. I like it very much. It's also a detangler, but I will set this aside when I'm done with that one. I will use this. I wash my hair a lot. I have a lot of hair. I go through hair products pretty quickly. So I'm very happy to have this. And this was one that they chose for me. Okay, next out. And I will say right now, I realized when I took this out, there's only 2 things left and there should be 3 things left. I still have 2 things for my box and I should have a boost. Okay, this is the Summer Fridays Dream Lip Oil. It is 4.5 ml. It's like, it can't be 4.5 ounces. Nope, 4.5 ml, and I have it in Bare Sand. So I'd say it's going to be very neutral. Summer Fridays is having a moment. I don't know if you have daughters or granddaughters that are this age, but Summer Fridays, their lippies, they're having a moment. So this will probably be very popular amongst my people. It's more nude. It looks darker, closer to actually, it doesn't look darker, closer. It's more nude than that is looking. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. But this will be one that my girls will love. Can you see? I am suspecting that that's going to go on perfectly clear. Oh, my hand is busy from the last video I just did. Yeah, can you even see it? You can probably get a little bit of the gloss, but it's just going to be a nice everyday gloss. I couldn't even find it for a second to smell it. Oh, it's sweet. I can tell that even just from doing this. Yeah, this will definitely get used. Either I'll use it just as an everyday wander around the house, put a little gloss on, or one of my girls will like it. But the Summer Friday stuff is so popular right now. It is clean beauty, and it says silky smooth and nourishing with a high shine. Milky finish, yep. This vegan lip oil. Oh, so it's a lip oil, not a gloss. Did I say that? I probably said that. Yes, Dream Lip Oil. Not only is it infused with skincare benefits from 9 plant-based oils, but it also delivers added dimension to any lippy you layer it on top of. So that is probably how I would choose to use it. But before I ruin the doe foot, I want to try it on my bare lip and see if I just want to wear it like that. And by ruin the doe foot, I don't mean literally ruin. I just mean make it dark with this very dark lippy that I have on. Okay, next out, and it would appear what I am missing is the boost. Next out, we have the Bare Minerals Mineralist Dewy Lip Gloss Balm. And that is what that looks like. Let's get it open. It is in Soul. It looks on the packaging like kind of a berry color, and that's perfect for me. I love Bare Minerals. I actually wear, is it Bare Minerals? You know, I'm never sure if it's Bare Minerals or Bare Essentials. What's the name? But the foundation that you use that's just the minerals, it's Bare Minerals, right? I use a lot during the summer just because it's a very light cover up for, just to cover up my redness but not look like I have a lot of makeup going on. Point being, it's a brand that I reach for. That is what that looks like. It looks exactly like a color I would choose. Oh, did you see how many times I just had to go back and forth to get that nice sheer color? I love that. I love a nice underlying darker wash of color and yet transparent, see-through, just a little bit there. That is one of my favorite things. I reach for that all the time. Let's see what they're telling us about it. It is a $25 value, and this says soft red, but this says Soul, so I'm not sure what the story is true. Down underneath it says Soul Rose Mauve, so I'm not real clear what that soft red they were talking about up top is. This gloss balm is the best of both worlds. Sheer color with a juicy shine, plus the comfort of a nourishing balm. The cushiony vegan formula is packed with sustainably sourced squalene to keep lips looking smooth and hydrated all day, never sticky. I love it when it's good for you, but it has a little bit of light color. That's just something I'm absolutely gonna reach for. Okay, last out of my box, I have a illuminating primer gel from Cheekbone. And I chose this also. I do enjoy a primer, especially in the summer when I'm using my Bare Minerals powders. I think it helps them set better. I just like to lay down a nice primer, and I just felt like I could use a new one. So that is why I chose this. It has a $29 value, and it says this primer is clean, cruelty-free, and vegan. It is a glowy first step in your makeup routine, powered by plant-derived glycerin and squalene to deeply moisturize and visibly refresh your skin. This non-comedogenic formula helps leave your skin soft, supple, and perfectly prepped for makeup. Yes, I remember now. I read those words and I was like, that sounds fantastic. So let's see how it feels, because I wonder if it's got, oh, that's That's a lot. You're absolutely not gonna want that much. Oh my goodness, that scared me. That was just my empty Ipsy box falling off the edge. I can see, can you guys see the pearlized glow of that just even in a pile before I put it on any part of my hand? There's a little bit that I took off. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's gonna have, oh, it feels nice though. It doesn't feel super silicone-y. It feels like one of the ones that's gonna kind of absorb. I took a ridiculous, here, let me wipe off most of it. I'll say I took a ridiculous amount, so it's never gonna absorb. Wiped most of it off. So I'll just put it in the back of my hand. Yes. I hope that my face loves this because I love the way it just made the back of my hand feel. It's, can you see? I don't know if you can compare them, but this has just got a glow now, but it's not silicone-y. It's not that heavy silicone texture. It's just like it's gonna absorb. I like it a lot. It's not a brand I know anything about, Cheekbone. If you guys know about Cheekbone, let me know. I do love the feel of it, so we'll see how it works, but on first blush, love the way this feels. That is my Ipsy Extra box. That is a $32 box. That is how it stands. I do order the boost. It is a $15 boost. It was meant to be Perfume, I think. Let me get in there again and check. But it's a $15 boost. It's usually a very high-priced item. I did not receive it. Oh no, it's another month. So this is like the third month in a row that my Extra or my Icon has had, one of them has had the problem. Oh, we were so close. We were right there to the end with the boost. We almost made it. I don't know what's going on over there. And I'm sure they'll make it right. I will text them. I will let you know in the comments when I hear back from them what the story is. But they're making them right. I mean, I actually ended up with more product from my Icon because of it. But still, I would just like it to kind of be right from the beginning. What I am missing is the Perfume MD Cold Plasma. Oh yeah, Cold Plasma Plus Eye. And you guys know, it is my goal to try all of the under eye creams. For dark circles, for wrinkles, for whatever, I'm gonna try all of the under eye creams. So that is what I'm missing. It has a $115 value, so I would really, really like to have that. I hope that they can replace it, that they didn't just run out of it. Okay, thank you very much for coming by. That's my box. It was a good box, right? Yes. I have a nice perfume, a nice hair heat protectant. We have the Summer Fridays Lippy, which I am sure is going to be super popular with my grands. We have the Bare Minerals Lippy, which is super popular with me. And then I'm really excited to see how that Cheekbones primer does because it feels really nice and it has a glow, but it's not an obnoxious glow. It's just kind of glowy. All right. Thanks again for coming by, guys. I appreciate you taking time to be here. If you don't subscribe, I hope you will consider doing so. Please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell so you'll know when we have more videos coming out, and I will see you again in a couple days. Take care, guys.